A new and very interesting area of freeze drying is the drying of microgreens. What you see here, these are microgreens made from broccoli sprouts, and this is very similar to the process of herbs. Again, there are two options. First, add a little bit of water, make a smoothie, and then freeze this material onto the drawers and then dry it. Then you will receive a powder. Or second option is to freeze them in this manner as is. It's also nice. Then you need to freeze them again onto the drawers, because the material is so light it will very easily catch the temperature of the room. So if your room isn't really cold, I suggest that after placing the material to the machine again to freeze for about 2 hours, 3 hours, and then start the drying process, which will be very fast. This kind of material can be dried in 10 to 12 hours. And if you evaporate, again, manual evacuation, slowly, and pack quickly. However, this material is still good and it's been around here for more than a month, so it's not as hygrophile as one would expect.